Good afternoon. This is Mr. Bugs with a daily story. But before we get into the story, we kick it off with the intro.
A long time I pray to God, no give man some me prayer. So me buy the big house pan the hill. For me mother satellite dish pan top. Food in a cupboard. Help her the yada so me take care of mama. A long time me born so me know poverty and poverty. Know me so if me afraid of separation me no see who me fi afraid of. Dirty crap man have to make it the era. Remember the time when we never have a dine. When we have to sell it back and down a mystery that shop.
Okay, now we get the intro there where we can start the story. And the first story for the day. A Christian man was in his house praying around 9 p.m. Between 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. His son comes up the road and enter the room. While him and chip out the light, the man shout out, Kimar! Kimar! You not see me a pray? Boy see me a pray and chip out the light. You blind me, you How? You know want me prayer go up to God? Jamaican people. Next story for the day. A son went home from school between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. As reaching his house in here, a sex noise coming from the house. The son approached the veranda and hear the sound louder. The son pulled the door and went inside. The door never locked. The son shook the door and went inside. The son heard the noise getting louder and louder. The son found out the noise was coming from his mother's bedroom. The son approached his mother's bedroom door and peeped near the keyhole and saw his mother riding in stepfather like Jackie. Like mother ride ass up a Cayman a spark. The son shout out, kill him with the mommy. Him go on like him a big man. The mother and the stepfather was so surprised. Then stopped doing what they was doing immediately. Next story. As a group of guys was sitting. You know when boys sit down, them attack them back at things and talk this and talk that. When I go so. So then the one of the guy jump up and say, nobody can't tell me nothing about Ningy hood. Ningy have the biggest hood.
A batty man right there say you bow up, brother, you stain. Yeah man, you're not good again, brother. Real batty man fit you. But cool blood clot you too. You know easy.
Don't ask me why you know that. Can't tell you. Ask me no question and tell you no lie. Before we continue, we went on to some commercial break.
Yo, 10K.
Yo, tear down.
Phone I get problem.
Yeah, man, me have phone problem.
Have a link can get.
Yeah, give me a link, no, man.
KiddDealsja.
How me can find it?
Eastwood Park Road, Kingston, Jamaica.
Same have no contact number.
Yeah, man, 062138. Don't forget the era code. Unlock, repair, trade, delivery, Islandwide.
Alright, now say I heard me, G. Me go call it now.
Thanks for staying. We continue with the story. A man was passing a lady house or passing a lady yard when the man looked over the lady yard and saw the lady washing. The man shout out, Simone. Simone replied, yes, Danny. Danny said, they do some of the body then.
What is this?
Simone replied, what you gonna do with it? Danny said, no come in it.
Real Batman for two you. But cool you too. You know easy.
Danny said, no come in it.
No, the kid is the bad.
Why oh boy, oh boy. Next story. Two child went to pipe. Go catch water. Look like a standpipe. For they went to pipe a standpipe. Them have no pipe of them yard. Them have no pipe of them yard. So while they was there waiting and catching water, they saw a Christian lady come to the pipe. So the boy and the girl start laugh. The Christian lady find out they was laughing at her. The Christian lady reply, why not laughing at me? The girl reply, I want mark on your Ganzi, make me a laugh. The lady said, what do me Ganzi? And the back of the lady Ganzi mark. Now lie down. So the lady, them find it funny. The lady find it disrespectful. So the lady, they don't catch the water and went to, sorry, the lady went to the child yard and said, and complained to his mother and father. Say them children see him on the road and troubling him. Wishing we mother and father start laugh. So the lady don't get no justice. Big up to all who like, comment, share and subscribe, and all who give me the support. Please and thanks for our help. And big up my editor G, we edit the video them, Frejidan. And big up Kid. Yeah, Kid phone shop, half a tree. Big up yourself, yo. Yeah.
Yeah man, a Bugs, Face 1 TV, 322. Please comment, like and share and hit that notification bell for further update. That's anytime we post a new video, you will be the first one to get it.